So I went ahead and printed this up. I'm kind of moving it so you can see it in the glare. But it turned out pretty good. With this longer design, there's a little bit more room in here for logos. And what I did is I designed up just a lid that doesn't have a logo on here, that has the blu-DRO. And that way, if you ever have a different logo for somebody, you know, we could try and fit it in there if you wanted to. Or if it's a long logo, we could always move the blu-DRO down here and then put their logo up here. But there's a little bit more room with this because this box obviously is a little bit longer. I put the 4 different length screws in here. Yeah, the screw that goes in here is this nominal 1.25 inches. You know, it's actually shorter, but if for some reason they actually did make it the true 1.25 inches from the bottom of the head to the end of the screw, it'll still fit in here without sticking out the bottom. And right now I'm actually printing another box. It's exactly the same. The only difference is I just made this hexagon shape here just a tad bit bigger. Because when I was making my boxes, I wanted them just to push in there really tight and snap right in. But that's off my 3D printer, so I know what that's going to be. So I just made this just a touch bigger on the box that I'm testing out next, and also that the file I'll send to you. But this shows you that this is the 1.25 inch number 6 round head, I call it, screw. You can pick it up at Lowe's. They sell them in little packages. They sell them in boxes or whatever. They're cheap. This is the nominal, what they call 1.5 inches, but it's actually 1 7/16 inches. But anyway, 1.5 inches. You can see it sticks out. So if they have a little thin piece of metal they needed to mount this to, there's still room to get that. Obviously 2-inch, and then this is a 3-inch flathead screw, just to show you that the flatheads go in there in case they had something thick they needed to go through to mount it to. I don't know how you're mounting yours. I don't know how they actually stick these to where they want to be so it doesn't fall off or whatever. But with the items I was designing that I was going to use these on for other things, like my pipe bender that measures the distances and stuff, I wanted to be able to just drill the holes. And this is exactly 3 inches center to center hole here, and exactly 2.75 center to center here. So it's really easy to drill some holes in something and just make them a little big if you want, and then it drops in, and then you can screw the nuts on the back. But like I said, when I talk about metric, I actually like designing in metric. It's my favorite thing to do. But unfortunately in the United States here, it's just a nightmare to get hardware.